Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to put password on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one today is go ahead and click on the start button on your PC. Click on settings. Now once you selected settings, on the left side, locate and click on accounts. Now go ahead and scroll down the accounts page and click on sign in options. Mark you want to make sure that you are using local account. If you use Microsoft account to log into your Windows or your PC, you'll not be able to change the password on your laptop. You then need to go ahead and change your Microsoft account password. Now, to add password to your PC, what you want to do next is go ahead and click on the sign in option. Once you select sign in options, click on password. Then click on add. Type in your new password. Repeat your new password. Then type in your password int. Now go ahead and click on next. Then click on finish. Then you should see your password all set. Now you can close the settings. Go ahead and restart your PC by clicking on the power button. Then choose restart. Now you'll be prompted to type in the new password. And that's it. That's exactly how to put password on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.